I know nobody cares and nobody asked, but today is my birthday, so I think I might do a little vloggy vlog of my day. So I woke up this morning to a text message from my husband that said, you know, happy birthday, because he had to work today, and he got me a birthday present. They told me to open it before I head out today. So I'm going to do that real quick. So we have a card. So it says, happy birthday, Mom. And signatures from my babies and my husband. And then, oh my goodness, he got me a Baccarat Rouge by 40. Oh my goodness. And there's something else in here. Oh my goodness. It's a Kate Spade charm bracelet. So pretty. And an Ulta gift card. Thank you guys. I love it. It's my birthday. Hi. So you guys saw what I got for my birthday. So I'm wearing the perfume right now, and I definitely have on my charm bracelet. So being a mom, it's very important for me to have some alone time. So right now I'm going to go collect my freebies. If you are a rewards point person for anything, you know what I'm talking about. I'm about to go get my Starbucks drink. That is a must. So I'm getting my Starbucks drink, and I also have I have a reward for Chick-fil-A and Noodles and Company. So I think for lunch today I'm gonna have the Noodles and Company one. So I did my hair. I'm wearing my comfort sweatsuit because when I woke up this morning, it was 17 degrees. So it's cold. So yeah, let's go get that drink. Yo, I spent way too much time in there, but it was so nice to go shopping without having to stop and make sure that my girls are okay. Check out books for them, which only means that I get less books because I have to incorporate what I'm getting for them. So definitely got some good books. And now we're gonna head to Ulta. I don't know if I'm gonna go get my massage. I'm probably just going to do Ulta and call it a day. So I got a Barnes & Noble tote, and I got 3 books. I ended up getting 3 books. So I got the Hazelwood. I think this is book 1 and I have book 2. So I needed to read book 1 before I go to book 2. And The Tempest of Tea. This is about, I think there's like a heist that happens and there's like vampires, and I don't know, I'm just really into that stuff. And then the last one I got is The Book of Night by Holly Black. I know this didn't get a lot of good reviews when it first came out, but I think I want to try it out for myself. So now let's go and get some makeup. Yo, going out on your birthday by yourself, it's really nice. I'm getting happy birthdays. I'm getting, I don't know, it's been a good day. A nice day. I'm about to go pick up my food from Noodles and Company. Ooh. All these daggone potholes. I'm gonna go get my bowl from Noodles and Company. Honestly, I'm not hungry. I haven't eaten all day, but I get a free bowl, so I'm gonna get my free bowl.